welcome back to Juicegas. I'm so happy today. We're making puffy slime. First you made 1 cup of glue. I have mine in my bowl. Then you made 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 cup of shaving cream.
Need help?
My mom is gonna help me. A couple of drops of your favorite color.
What color you want it?
Purple.
Guess you want it really purple.
Now we mix. Give me more of purple because it's gonna be light purple.
Okay.
Wow, this is so pretty.
You want more purple?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
gonna be light purple.
Wow. Maybe mommy should try to mix it with some food coloring. We'll do blue and red because that makes purple.
Last you need 1 tablespoon of contact solution. So this is tablespoon looks like. Now we mix. Puffy slime, puffy slime.
Keep mixing. It's gonna get really, really thick.
What thick?
Mm-hmm.
A little bit. After mixing, it should look like this.
You want to dump it on the table?
Huh?
Let's dump it on the table.
It feels weird.
I know.
Fine. Let's put it on the table. Oh. It's fun when you put it on the table. Now let's decorate our slime! I'm using blue glitter. That's enough. Ooh. Gooey. You can also add the foam B for crunchy slime. Mommy, can you help me?
Yes, ma'am. Ooh, I got it all over the table.
Crunchy. Little bit fell out.
Fold it all in.
ASMR time.
What'd you say?
ASMR time.
You having fun?
Mm-hmm. Yes. Can we put this upstairs, Mommy?
Yes. You can absolutely put that in a little Ziploc and you can play with it.
Later?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Wait, can this dry?
It will dry out, but that's why we have a recipe. We can make more.
I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye. Whoa.